The biggest gap between real-world compliance and what's in the textbook is about how decisions get made. When you read the book, it's all about creating the environment where decisions happen, policies, committees, and all that good stuff, with the asset owners being empowered by your advisory. But in real life, most of the time what I've seen is that GRC has to call some shots, has to take ownership, and has to steer people forward, because people don't want murky answers and guidelines that they don't understand and data classification schemes that are too complicated. They want to be advised, and by advised, I mean they need yes, no, or yes with guardrails. You need to be assertive to be efficient, otherwise people will just find you murky and find that you add complexity, but you want to add clarity. And I know being an approver sounds bureaucratic, doesn't look as good as advisor on your LinkedIn. However, this is how I see working, being the approver to enable that decision and own it. Now, I won't say it's perfect. Here's the flip side of it. This week, somebody else made a decision about some weird non-standard access for an employee. However, when there was friction, the problem came back to me. Oh, you're the decision person. What's going on? Can we remove that? And I was confused because I was like, I didn't make that call. Go to see the person making that call. Well, now we need you making that call. But I did not make that call in the first place. So I ended up having to discuss and go over that, and it was super fine. But the thing is, when you're seen as the decision point, and sometimes you kind of need to own other people's decision and take one for the team in the sense.